What if one single income stream could make $1,000 per day, even while sleeping? It might sound unrealistic, but thousands of people across the United States are already doing it. And the best part? Many of these income streams don't require employees, offices, or even constant work. Passive income is no longer just a dream for millionaires. With the internet, automation tools, and digital platforms, building streams of income that generate money every day has become easier than ever. In this video, you'll discover 5 powerful passive income ideas that have the potential to generate $1,000 per day if done correctly. Some require small upfront work, while others scale massively over time. Make sure to watch until the end because the last idea is one of the fastest growing income opportunities right now. One of the most powerful passive income models today is selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products don't require shipping, inventory, or warehouses. Once created, they can be sold unlimited times. Examples include online courses, ebooks, templates, design assets, Notion planners. Imagine selling a $49 digital product. To reach $1,000 in a day, you only need around 21 sales. Platforms like online marketplaces allow creators to upload their products and start selling globally. Visual cue, show laptop displaying digital products marketplace. The key is solving a specific problem. For example, budget templates for personal finance, social media content calendars, resume templates for job seekers. Once the product is created, automation handles the rest. Payments, delivery, and downloads all happen automatically. Section 2, Dividend stocks. Another powerful passive income source is dividend investing. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay investors a portion of their profits regularly. Visual cue, shows stock chart rising and dividend payments appearing. Some well-known dividend-paying companies have been paying investors for decades. For example, if someone builds a portfolio that generates a 4% dividend yield, earning $1,000 per day would require a large portfolio. But here's the important part. Many investors start small and reinvest dividends. Over time, compound growth dramatically increases passive income. Visual cue, display compounding growth chart. With patience and reinvestment, dividend income can eventually replace a salary, faceless YouTube channels, or becoming one of the most popular passive income strategies online. These channels use voiceovers, stock footage, and AI tools instead of showing a person on camera. Visual cue, show editing timeline with stock clips and voiceover. Revenue comes from multiple sources. Ad revenue, affiliate links, sponsorships. For example, a channel with 1 million monthly views can generate thousands of dollars depending on the niche and audience location. The best niches often include finance, technology, motivation, luxury lifestyle. Once videos are uploaded, they can continue generating views and revenue for years. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income online. Instead of creating products, affiliates promote other companies' products and earn a commission on every sale. Visual cue, show arrows from viewers clicking links to online stores. For example, if a product pays a $50 commission, only 20 sales per day are needed to reach $1,000. Affiliate links can be placed in YouTube video descriptions, blogs, social media posts, email newsletters. The key is recommending products that people already search for. Popular affiliate categories include software tools, online education platforms, finance apps, technology gadgets. Section 5, Automated online businesses. Automation has changed the way online businesses operate. Many entrepreneurs now run stores that require very little daily work. One example is print-on-demand stores. These stores sell custom products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases. Visual cue, show custom t-shirt designs appearing on screen. When someone places an order, a third-party company prints and ships the product automatically. The store owner focuses only on marketing and design. With a product priced at $30 profit, reaching $1,000 per day would require around 34 sales daily. And with viral designs or trending niches, that number is very achievable. CTA: before starting any passive income strategy, keep these important tips in mind. First, passive income is rarely instant. Most successful income streams require consistent effort in the beginning. Visual cue: show timeline from effort to automated income. Second, diversification is powerful. Many successful creators combine multiple income streams together. For example, a YouTube channel promoting affiliate products, digital products sold through an online store, investments generating dividends, and finally, focus on scalable systems. The goal is to build assets that keep generating income long after the initial work is done. Because once the system is built correctly, money can continue flowing in day after day, even while sleeping. And this is exactly where most people miss the opportunity. They keep trading time for money, working hours for a paycheck. But the people building real wealth focus on assets that keep paying them repeatedly. Visual cue: show comparison of active income versus passive income chart. Active income stops the moment someone stops working. Passive income keeps flowing even when no work is being done that day. That's why many entrepreneurs focus on building multiple streams of passive income at the same time. Think about it like building income pipelines. One pipeline might come from a YouTube channel, another from affiliate marketing, another from digital products, another from investments. Individually, each stream may start small. Maybe $50 a day. Maybe $100 a day. But when several streams start running together, the numbers grow fast. Visual cue: multiple income streams flowing into one bank account. For example, $200 per day from digital products, $300 per day from affiliate commissions, $250 per day from YouTube ad revenue, $150 per day from investments, $100 per day from automated online stores. Together, that equals $1,000 per day. And the most powerful part, many of these income streams continue working for years. A digital product created once can sell thousands of times. A YouTube video uploaded today can generate revenue for the next 5 years. A blog article written once can bring traffic every single day. Visual cue: show older YouTube videos still gaining views. This is how online creators build long-term financial freedom. But there is one more strategy that many beginners completely overlook. It's called content-based passive income. Every piece of content online becomes a digital asset. A single viral video, a helpful blog article, a useful template. These assets attract people searching for solutions. And when those people arrive, they create opportunities for revenue through ads, products, or affiliate links. Visual cue: show search bar with thousands of viewers arriving. The internet works 24 hours a day. While someone sleeps, people across the world are searching, watching, clicking, and buying. That's why the biggest opportunity today is not just working harder. It's building systems that work automatically. Visual cue: automated system diagram generating income. And remember, every large passive income stream started with a small first step. The first video uploaded. The first product created. The first investment made. Consistency is what turns small beginnings into massive results. Because over time, small systems grow into powerful income machines. And the sooner someone starts building them, the sooner they move closer to earning $1,000 per day in passive income. And this is the moment where most people face a choice. Continue living paycheck to paycheck, or start building income streams that grow every single day. The truth is simple. The internet has created more opportunities for passive income than at any time in history. People all over the United States are building digital assets that generate money 24 hours a day. Some started with nothing more than a laptop and an internet connection. Visual cue, show laptop with online income dashboard increasing. But here's the important truth most videos won't tell you. Passive income is not magic. It requires effort in the beginning. Creating content. Building systems. Learning skills. But once those systems are in place, something powerful happens. The work you did once starts paying you again and again. Visual cue, calendar pages flipping while money continues appearing. A video uploaded today may still generate income years later. A digital product created this month may sell thousands of times. An investment made today may continue growing for decades. This is how real wealth is built. Not through one lucky moment, but through assets that keep working long after the work is done. And remember, the goal is not just making money. The real goal is buying back time. Time to travel. Time with family. Time to work on things that truly matter. Because when income no longer depends on working every single hour, freedom becomes possible. So if this video opened your eyes to new possibilities, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content about making money, building wealth, and creating financial freedom. And remember, the best time to start building passive income was years ago. The second best time is right now.